If you want to earn online by selling your own digital products, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the complete process of creating an ebook, listing it online and selling it step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. First, we will use an AI tool to create the entire ebook just by giving a simple prompt. You don't need to write manually anything. Then I will show you how to download the ebook as a PDF and design a professional cover using Canva. After that, I will list this ebook online, set pricing and handle payments without any technical setup or payment gateway headache. And finally, I will show you how to sell the ebook using simple and practical methods. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also join my Telegram group from the link in the description for more tools, prompts and updates. Now let's start with the first step. So the first step is creating the ebook, but instead of doing this one time, we will set up a long-term system. For that, we will use Google AI Studio to create a custom ebook making app. This app will help us to generate ebooks again and again on any topic. Inside Google AI Studio, I will give a simple prompt and ask it to create an ebook generating app for me. I have already given the prompt and also I will share this prompt in my Telegram group. Now you can see the app will look something like this. eBook Architect AI is the name of this. Here the app asks for basic inputs, topic or niche, target page count, for example 30 to 40 or 50 pages, tone or style like professional or beginner friendly, author name and all. Once these details are filled, we simply click initialize blueprint. After that, the app automatically creates the full ebook structure, including chapters, sections and detailed content based on the topic we provide. Now let's create an ebook in this. But before creating ebook, the most important thing is selecting the scalable topic. If you are confused about which topic to choose, you can simply ask ChatGPT or any other AI research tool to suggest trending and high demand topics. I already did it earlier and ChatGPT suggested me the parenting as a topic, which is very trending right now and has a strong audience. So I will just enter my topic as a parenting and I will give a title based on this. After that, Google AI Studio automatically creates the entire ebook. You can see this, including structure, step chapters and detailed content based on our topic. This is powerful because now you don't need to start from zero every time. We have created our own ebook creation app, which you can reuse for multiple ebooks in the future. Once the ebook is generated, we will review it and export it as a PDF. You can see every topic is covered, the writing seems perfect. Even you can ask Google AI Studio to add images inside this. But right now I am going with this only. Now that our ebook content is ready, the next step is to designing a perfect professional cover for this. Your ebook cover is very important because this is the first thing people will see before buying. For this, we will use Canva, which is very easy and beginner friendly. Open Canva and search for ebook cover. You will see multiple ready-made templates. You can choose any template you like or start from a blank design. I will choose the parenting as my topic, so I will search for parenting and I will find some beautiful covers for this. Now update the template with your ebook title, your author name and relevant image based on your topic. Make sure the text is clear, readable and not overcrowded. Keep the design simple and professional. Once the cover design is ready, download it as an image. This cover image will be used on the product listing page when we upload and sell the ebook. Now that our cover is ready, let's move to the next step. So the next step is listing it online and setting up payments. This is where most beginners get stuck. Website creation, payment gateways, approvals, and all the technical mess. But we are not going to do any of that manually. For this, we will use SuperProfile, which makes the entire process simple and automated. First, log into SuperProfile and create a new digital product. Upload your ebook PDF and the cover image which we have created in Canva. Write a short description and set your pricing. Once this is done, SuperProfile will automatically create a sales page for your ebook. Even you can change the link of this particular your ebook which SuperProfiles has provided. You can keep based on your topic. As my is parenting, I can keep like that way. You don't need to build a website or set up a payment gateway or manually deliver the ebook. Everything is handled automatically. One important feature here is email automation for abandoned leads. If someone visits your page but doesn't complete the purchase, SuperProfile can automatically follow up via emails. After a successful purchase, you can also redirect buyers, for example, to your WhatsApp community or Instagram channel. This helps you to build a community and create a proper sales funnel for future products. SuperProfiles also offer an auto DM feature, which is useful if you are driving traffic from platforms like Instagram and want to automate responses. And if you sign up using my referral link, you will get an 80% discount on the first month, which is perfect if you are just starting out. I have mentioned the link in the description. Once everything is set, simply click publish and your ebook is live and ready to sell. Now that your parenting ebook is live, the final step is promotion and sales. First, understand one thing. Parenting ebooks don't sell through hard selling. They sell through trust and relatability. Start by promoting your ebook where parents already spend time. Share the ebook link in your YouTube video description and pinned comments, your Instagram bio also, and your Telegram or WhatsApp groups also. Instead of directly saying buy my ebook, talk about real parenting problems. For example, screen time issues, parenting stress, or common mistakes new parents make. When parents relate to the problem, they naturally look for a solution. Once someone clicks the link, they land on your ebook page, complete the payment and instantly get access. Everything happens automatically. After purchase, they don't stop there. Redirect buyers to a WhatsApp or Telegram community where you can share parenting tips, answer questions, and build long-term trust. This parenting ebook can act as your first product, and this community helps you to sell future guides, courses, or consultations. So the process is simple. Create a parenting ebook, list it properly, and promote it by helping parents to solve real problems. That's how you sell parenting ebooks in a sustainable way. Like this way, you can choose your topic and sell your particular ebooks. So this is complete process. You don't need advanced skills, you don't need a big audience, and you don't need to deal with technical complications. If you follow this process and stay consistent, you can build a long-term digital product system around parenting. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content on AI tools and online income. Also join my Telegram group for more updates. The link is in the description. I regularly share prompts, tools, and strategies over there. All the tools and links used in this video are mentioned in the description. You can share your views in the comments. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.